Thus I have heard, at one time the Buddha dwelt at Shravasti, in the Jeta Grove in the garden of the benefactor of orphans and the forlorn, together with a gathering of great bhikshus, 1,250 in all great arhats well known to the assembly. Elders Shariputra, Mahamoggalayana, Mahakasyapa, Mahakatayana, Mahakasthila, Ruvata, Sadipanthaka, Nanda, Ananda, Rahula, Gavampati, Pindola Bharadvaja, Kaladayan, Mahakafina, Vacula, Aniruddha, Manjushri, Prince of Dharma, Ajita Bodhisattva, Gandhestin Bodhisattva, Nityadatta Bodhisattva, and others such as these, all great bodhisattvas, and together with Shakra, chief among gods, and the numberless great multitudes from all the heavens. Shariputra, from here, passing through hundreds of thousands of millions of Buddha lands, to the west there is a world called utmost happiness. In this land a Buddha called Amitabha right now teaches the Dharma. Shariputra, why is this land called utmost happiness? All living beings of this country never suffer, but enjoy every bliss. Therefore it is called utmost happiness. Moreover, Shariputra, this land of utmost happiness is completely surrounded by 7 tiers of railings, 7 layers of netting, and 7 rows of trees all formed from the 4 treasures. And for this reason called utmost happiness. Moreover, Shariputra, in the land of utmost happiness are pools of the 7 jewels, filled with the waters of 8 meritorious qualities. The bottom of each pool is pure, covered with golden sands. On the 4 sides climb stairs of gold, silver, lapis lazuli, crystal, mother of pearl, rubies, and carnelian. In the pools bloom lotuses as large as carriage wheels with colors of green light, red light, yellow light, and white light subtle, rare, fragrant, and pure. Shariputra, the land of utmost happiness is crowned in splendor and virtues such as these. Moreover, Shariputra, in this Buddhaland heavenly music always plays, and the ground is made of gold. In the 6 periods of the day and night a heavenly rain of mandarava flowers falls, and throughout the clear morning, each living being of this land offers sacks filled with myriads of wonderful flowers to the hundreds of thousands of millions of Buddhas of the other directions. At mealtime they return to their own countries. And after eating they walk about. Shariputra, the land of utmost happiness is crowned in splendor and virtues such as these. Moreover, Shariputra, in this country there are always rare and unusual birds of many kinds and colors, white geese, cranes, peacocks, parrots, egrets, calavinkas, and two-headed birds. In the 6 periods of the day and night, the flocks of birds sing forth harmonious and elegant sounds. Their clear and joyful calls proclaim the 5 roots, the 5 powers. When living beings of this land hear their calls, they are altogether mindful of the Buddha, mindful of the Dharma, and mindful of the Sangha. Shariputra, do not say that these birds are born as retribution for their sins. And why not? Because in this Buddhaland the 3 evil paths do not exist. Shariputra, even the names of the 3 evil paths are unknown in this Buddha's land. How much the less could they actually exist? Wishing to proclaim the Dharma's sound far and wide, Amitabha Buddha created these multitudes of birds by transformation. Shariputra, in that Buddhaland, when the gentle winds blow, the rows of jeweled trees and jeweled nets reverberate with fine and wondrous sounds, as a symphony of 100,000 kinds of music played in harmony. All who hear these sounds are naturally mindful of the Buddha, mindful of the Dharma, and mindful of the Sangha. Shariputra, the land of utmost happiness is crowned in splendor and virtues such as these. Shariputra, why is this Buddha called Amitabha? The brilliance of that Buddha's light is measureless, illumining the lands of the 10 directions everywhere without obstruction. For this reason, he is called Amitabha. Moreover, the lifespan of that Buddha and that of his people extends for measureless, limitless asamkhyanas of kalpas. For this reason, he is called Amitabha. And, Shariputra, since Amitabha became a Buddha, 10 kalpas have passed. Shariputra, that Buddha has measureless, limitless asamkhyanas of sound-hearer disciples, their number incalculable. So too is the assembly of Bodhisattvas. Shariputra, that Buddhaland is crowned in splendor and virtues such as these. They have resulted from Amitabha's great vows and the blessing of his Bodhisattva's practice for numerous kalpas.